can you let us know what applications you have built?
Okay. So top of my head, we use Clappia for a few things. So like I said, maintenance request is one.
Yeah.
So any challenges in any outlet, a ticket is raised through Clappia, and respective people, based on the level of urgency, get notified. Right. Secondly, we also use it for employee joining, right from issuing of uniforms and through the entire life cycle of the employee till the time they leave. So if they leave as well, it's through Clappia, and then the process starts from there. Thirdly, we also use Clappia to sort of track our breakages in terms of cutlery, crockery, glassware. They're sort of made to take a live photo, so we know they're not taking a wrong one or repeating it. So that way, Clappia has these small tools which sort of make sure it's done correctly, which a Google form cannot today.